Welcome to SoftSpot Review. Today, we talk about your new traffic funnel reviews. Your new traffic funnel is revolutionizing the online marketing landscape, offering a comprehensive solution for those struggling to generate consistent traffic and income. This innovative system provides a complete, done-for-you approach that's designed to skyrocket your online success. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, your new traffic funnel is tailored to meet you where you are, with user-friendly features and step-by-step training that ensures even beginners can quickly grasp and implement the concepts effectively. What sets your new traffic funnel apart is its focus on sustainable, long-term success. Unlike many get-rich-quick schemes, this system emphasizes building a solid foundation for your online business. By concentrating on creating a single, high-converting front-end offer, your new traffic funnel helps you avoid the common pitfall of constantly chasing new opportunities. This focused approach allows you to refine and optimize your funnel over time, leading to increasingly better results. The power of automation is at the heart of your new traffic funnel. With 30 to 90 done-for-you emails depending on your chosen package, you can set up a robust follow-up sequence that works tirelessly on your behalf. This means that your new traffic funnel continues to generate leads and sales even when you're not actively working, giving you the freedom to focus on other aspects of your life or business. One of the most exciting aspects of your new traffic funnel is its potential for compounding results. As you consistently drive traffic to your funnel and build your email list, your efforts begin to snowball. Your new traffic funnel is designed to help you create multiple streams of passive income, allowing you to enjoy financial growth without a proportional increase in work. The versatility of your new traffic funnel is another key benefit. Whether you're promoting your own products or focusing on affiliate marketing, this system can be adapted to suit your needs. The included 1000-day PDF and Ray monetizing document provide valuable resources to help you maximize your earnings potential. With your new traffic funnel, you're not just getting a marketing tool, you're gaining a comprehensive business strategy. By choosing your new traffic funnel, you're investing in your future. The system is designed to help you achieve the kind of lifestyle freedom that many aspire to but few achieve. Whether it's working from anywhere in the world, eliminating the daily commute, or enjoying stress-free financial stability. In conclusion, your new traffic funnel offers a comprehensive, user-friendly, and highly effective solution for online marketers at all levels. By focusing on sustainable strategies, automation, and quality traffic generation, this system provides the tools and knowledge needed to build a successful online business. Thank you. Support us.